This looks like a healthy tree, right? What if it is sick in the roots underground or inside its stem? How do we know? Traditionally, we rely on manual methods, but this is unsustainable. It can take weeks to fertilize an entire plantation manually. Worse, we are gambling with the weather. Without rain, fertilizer won't dissolve. But with heavy rain, it washes away instantly, wasting your money and polluting our rivers. So, the industry moved to smart irrigation systems. Look at this standard workflow. You check the soil, check the weather, and turn on the water. They solved the labor issue by automating schedules, but does not consider scientific flow, how water and fertilizer interacts with the environment, and unable to predict future situations, leading to fertilizer wastage and increased cost. Introducing AgriFlow, an AI-powered all-in-one farming solution. While most conventional smart systems are built for greenhouses, because a greenhouse is a controlled environment, it is predictable, it is easy. Unlike these systems that fail when exposed to nature, our system is built for the outdoors. We don't ignore environmental factors, we include them. We account for every variable, from sudden rain to shifting humidity, using them to optimize your yield by utilizing digital twin technology. Data flows from the physical farm to a virtual replica, the digital farm. Here's how the architecture works. We take raw data from sensors and weather feeds and we channel it into our analytics engine. This engine doesn't just display data, it generates insight optimization actions. It looks at weather predictions, fertilizer plans, and fruit quality goals to decide the perfect course of action. Our system differs from existing conventional irrigation system by integrating our state-of-the-art AI-powered brain when deciding on irrigation schedules for a more optimized and predictive fertigation strategy. Our system relies on 3 key pillars. The first is environmental monitoring. We know that if soil moisture drops below 20%, water absorption halts. If it goes above 30%, roots suffocate. Our system constantly monitors the soil moisture, ensuring we only irrigate when the plant specifically needs it to maintain that 20 to 30% sweet spot. The second pillar is site modeling. Using satellite data, we build a spatially accurate 3D map of the actual terrain. This allows us to understand exactly where to place sensors and how topography, like slopes and dips, will affect water runoff. The third pillar is fluid modeling using computational fluid dynamics. We simulate how water moves through the soil on a slope. As you can see in these simulations, water behaves differently on an incline. Because of this, AgriFlow creates different fertilization plans tailored to your specific site conditions. To summarize the core innovation, we use environmental monitoring to determine when to water. We use site modeling to determine where the water flows. And we use fluid modeling to optimize how we deliver it, which ensures total precision. This is our live command center. You can see the status of every gateway and sensor node pinned to its exact location on the site model. For control, we use an interactive SCADA system. Notice the zoning here, high-rise versus low-rise. We can control these zones independently. We can also manage fertigation, injecting nutrients via the dosatron unit directly from the screen. Finally, we have the intelligence engine. We track critical metrics like electrical conductivity and pH over time. This historical data allows us to spot trends like salt buildup or pH drift long before they damage the crop. In conclusion, AgriFlow is more than just automation. It is a system that saves manpower, cuts operational costs, and protects the environment. AgriFlow, your AI-powered all-in-one farming solution. This service is part of the Easy Farm ecosystem.